All right, Joe Walker here, Yonah Mountain Farms. It is Friday, August 1st. I don't know, probably about 2 o'clock, pretty hot, but this video is going to be a little different. So I had this company reach out to me, said they saw our YouTube videos and wanted to send me a package of this GrubTerra black soldier fly larvae and do an honest review of it. So keyword there is honest. So that's what I'm gonna do. And looking at it, I mean, this stuff looks amazing. 34% crude protein, 32% crude fat. So this is definitely, I mean, the chickens are without a doubt gonna love it. Here, let's see if I can. All right, so this is essentially dehydrated black soldier fly larvae. So here's some information on there. You know, they keep food waste out of the landfill. This larvae within this bag are all sourced from a farm in Mexico. 100% plant-based. Native North America. Okay. So here it is. Here's the QR code if anybody's interested in this product. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna give them a shot. Surprisingly delicious. Now, of course, this review ain't about what I think about them, but the hens. And I actually just moved the hens in this paddock yesterday. So, and I just got nailed by a ginormous grasshopper. But so they spent about 3 days in these paddocks. This paddock, as you can see, this is what it used to look like right here before the sheep and the goats hit it. So this is pretty degraded land, lots of weeds. But anyway, we ran our sheep and goats, and there's actually a goat over there drinking. We run the sheep and goats ahead of them in smaller paddocks. We try to cover this area this size in about 3 days. But so there's tons of bugs already in here. But I do suspect that these hens are going to love this stuff. Because why wouldn't they? It's legit bugs. Look, there's a bug just landed on there. But so let's, well, here's our livestock guardian dog. She may like them as well. So we're gonna pour them out for the hens. Come on, girls. Come get you some. And yeah, you know, they're gonna hit them. I mean, it's bugs. They're all enjoying the shade right now. So there's about 500 hens in here. But yeah, they're absolutely gonna devour the black soldier fly. As far as what do I think about this product, I think it's great. I think it doesn't really fit our context very well. So this stuff is, this 1 pound bag costs about $19 on Amazon. So we'll just say roughly for math's sake, 20 bucks a pound. Our birds eat approximately, this is actually about 600 birds, eat approximately 200 pounds a day. So this would be, if we were to feed solely this, it'd run about $4 grand a day. We get about 40 dozen a day, so that would put the cost per dozen at roughly 100 bucks a dozen. So it's and that's our cost. That's before we make any money. So so yeah, it's not very feasible in our context. I mean, even though we are a very small producer, we're a little bit beyond, you know, the backyard hobby farm. So, you know, if I had a few chickens in the backyard and wanted to give them a treat, something a little extra nutrition, I would absolutely look into this. But in our context, just doesn't quite work. Thanks.